What's going on, people? It's Friday. We're gonna try to end this week green. I think I'm up like $76 or $78 on the week because of the other day taking a $900 loss on each account. Uh, I made 480 or 70 or something like that yesterday, so I brought it back a little bit. Try to end green this week to try to, I guess, try to take a payout next week because this week's show ain't gonna be good for a payout. Uh, this is my biggest account, and as you can see, that it's only up 52,304. You need 52,600 to try to take a payout, but I'm not gonna take it until I get three of my accounts up. Which the third one, I believe, is this one. Is close to it, but it's not there yet. I mean, I need $1,000. But once I get that $1,000, then I'll take a payout from all three of them. But right now, I'm just waiting on something to set up. Once something does set up, then I come back into this. So just go ahead and pause it for right now. Looking for an entry. Waiting on this pullback to this area. Hopefully these orders right here hold it and can push it up at least 10 points so I could get my little scalp off. And then we'll see what we get from there. Otherwise, I don't want it to just turn around. On the 5 minute, it broke the lows of the previous 5 minute. And on the hourly, we got this big green candle and it's at all-time highs. So ain't no telling. It looked like it's trying to push back up though right now. It's making lower highs, so that kind of ain't good. I should be kind of looking for a short. But because of the strength so far, I ain't trying to too much go against the trend yet, at least. Now, if it break up under here, then I might start looking. But till then, well, it's going back up. So I guess I'll come back once we get near, either get down there near my order or we get another place where we could take a trade at. Got this big volume candle shot up out of here. Got news in a few minutes, 9 minutes. So yeah, we need this to go on here, get back up to 800 real quick for us, so we can try to take this trade off before news drop, or it can do one of these candles again. Shoot through here. That'd be lovely. Put this order up here. You don't get that candle back, man. Just let the sellers come in and push it back. I'm looking for continuation. Just there we go. Come on, buyers. Fight back. Fight back. Fight back over 8. It only need a little bit more. Just a little bit more. A little more strength. A little more strength. What time is it? 52. Come on, bro. Put this right here. So I ain't gotta keep looking over to see what time it is. Come on, fill some more orders up at 800. Ooh, I didn't. That little janky little push down. Where the buyers at? How you go through 800 one time and can't get back through it? So we just go lead. Yeah, I've been real. Well, yesterday I was real shaky after taking 2 losses the other day on that on my account, and I think I had 2 losses all week last week, and I think I done took 4, maybe 5 losses this week so far. Been kind of rough, especially with I only take scalps, but I'm still up. It's just as soon as I get to my towards the payout is is what's getting me. These struggles to get the payout is a mother. And I don't try to be like super aggressive with my accounts because I see a lot of traders blow their accounts like that. Come on, man. You can get back up to 800 before.
Order filled.
No. Okay, that's all right. I took it off. It was at 800. Well, I got my 10 points, but I missed it. Anyways, I'll come back once we get another setup. I'm going to try to wait till after this news drop. I don't want to take a gamble trade. So we'll be back in a second.
Filled.
Just got entered in on a trade. Looking for a little pullback. Yeah, but it's looking like it's just bouncing off this bottom wick right here. Whether it's a good trade or not, we shall see. Bring this down a little bit. It's been pushing up all morning so far, so some type of pullback really makes sense for real. So that's why I took it. It's started breaking this consolidation area some. I was hoping that I was gonna catch it up in it to come back down, but it's looking like it wanna take back off up. Yeah, I should have just waited. Ooh, I forgot. This is the 10 o'clock candle area, and the news came through, so that's what's probably holding it up is that news action, especially right now. Oh, I need to put in my little order just in case I get some kind of quick swipe down. A quick dump out and then reclaim. I would like that for real. 30-point dump. It'd be nice. This is going right back into the range. So until I'm not gonna sit here and wait until I either get to a point to stop out for the win or loss. Well, it's coming up for my second order. I guess it ain't ready to turn around yet. But until I get a exit, I will pause it. The market popped all the way up. Took my second order. Now it's coming back down through. Hopefully, I'm just looking for the 10 points still. 78. So to the bottom of this right here. Or if it breaks through the highs, then maybe end up having to take us another order. I'm not going to take too many more trades. Probably be the last one. Especially if it's a loss. I'm definitely not taking another trade that's a loss. I'm just going to end the week red. And let that go. Because starting off the month, come on down. You're done enough pushing, man. Sheesh. I ain't gonna just sit here. No. I guess. These all-time highs been so weird. 1 minute is breaking to one side, no pullbacks or small pullbacks is what's really the thing. Is like it goes up and had these super small pullbacks, and then when it do something to just chop around for a while. Come on, you only need a little bit more. I would like, come on, just let me see my numbers. There we go. I'm gonna take it out there. 193. I think I'm done on the day. Two trades up 193. A little bit closer to being able to take a payout. Let me see. This one I actually need $122, but won't be happening today. I want to start the month off green. I might. Nah, I was gonna say I might get a another eval traded, but I ain't gonna do that. Anyways, if y'all like these videos, make sure y'all check out the video that I drop up here in the corner. All right, later.